To start monitoring your Java applications in Windows, click on Add Data. Select Service. Proceed by typing in a name for your application service. Select the environment as Windows and select the language Java from the drop-down menu. Click on Next. This is where you would specify the API token to be used when sending the collected service data. You can choose to generate a new one by selecting Generate New Token and typing in a token name, or you can use an existing token and select the token from the drop-down menu if there are any. Let's generate a new token by typing in a name for the token and click Next. To instrument your application, download our APM library from this link or via the given invoke web request command here. Load the library into your application using the command snippet provided. This will also set up the service key and ingestion endpoint. You can also refer to the documentation on where to set the Java agent option for all supported web servers by clicking on this link. Now restart the JVM to load the library successfully. Wait for the Java library to connect successfully to the SolarWinds APM collector, and the Waiting for Connection button will change to OK. Click OK to finish setting up the service.